Okay, so what I have here is the Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips scent. It's for soft pink lips. I'm going to start out by saying this is a very, very, very small jar, but it's for your lips. Like, it's not for like your body or anything like that. Like, it's literally for your lips. So it's like any one of those like little lip containers that like you stick your finger in and you apply to your lips. Like, it's literally a lip product, like the chapsticks or anything like that. So I would say this is honestly more than like regular chapsticks or anything like that, just because it comes in a little jar and then you just stick your finger in there and then, you know, apply it to your lips and things like that. So I would say this is honestly a good amount. It's 0.25 ounces, and I would say that's good. I would say that's really good because I mean, things like little lip therapy type things like chapsticks and lip glosses and stuff like that, like they're not meant to be like a huge container. Like, you're not going to carry a huge container of like lip stuff around unless you're like a professional makeup artist or something. But I'm going to start out by saying that this product is very good, and I struggle so hard to find things that work well on my lips because I drink so much water, and for some reason I'm always thirsty and always drinking water, yet my lips are always dry. Like, I don't feel dehydrated, I'm just always drinking water and my lips just continue to stay dry. So I apply this, and I literally will apply it once for the day, and I will feel like $1,000,000. Like, I don't have to apply it anymore after that. Literally, I can apply it for the day and be done. I can literally go to sleep and what I applied in the morning and it will still stay on. My lips will feel so soft. I don't have to apply it anymore. And I really love that because a lot of lipsticks and things like that, like, you'll have to reapply, and I don't like that because that's just a lot of like taking out and like reapplying and doing all the extra stuff that I don't have fun doing. Another reason why I like this is because it is a very like simple, like small, like it doesn't like smell bad. Like, it smells really good. It's like a rosy, like floral type scent, and it smells really nice. Before, like, this is probably, I think, my third jar of this. I've been buying this for like a very long time. I've been buying this for probably a year, and just because it's small, so it's like you use it, you know, every day and stuff like that. So, you know, you just use it a lot. But this is probably my third jar of this, and I've had this one, and I've had the one that smells like creme brulee, and they smell phenomenal. I haven't been able to find the creme brulee one as much as I find this one. This one is pretty much everywhere, and it's very inexpensive. I bought this for like a very low cost. But I've had this one and the creme brulee one, and they smell so good, and I'm very sensitive to smells, and especially since it's so close to my face, like my nose, like your lips are very close to your face, and when you apply it you can smell it all day. This is one thing that I can say that I would not mind putting on my face, and it doesn't bother me because it's such a like simple scent. It smells very like, the smell is not strong at all. Like, it smells like flowers and like bubble gum or something. I don't know. It just smells like a really sweet type of like rosy type scent that's not gonna overwhelm you for the entire day. I've even had like where I would put it on and like I will eat and it will still keep my lips very soft. And I have big lips, so applying this to my lips will, like, usually a lot of times, like, it'll dry it out or something like that because my lips are so large, and so I need a little bit more to cover it than normal. But this is honestly a great product. I've recommended this to friends and they love it. they stopped buying their old chapstick and like lip stuff that they use, and they start using this one. I honestly just recently recommended this to a friend, probably a couple weeks ago, and she was like, I love this. She's like, I'm never going back to any other lip product because this works so well. It keeps my lips so moist. She's like, I apply this before I do my makeup at night, like when I'm going out, or I put on like a darker lipstick or like a matte lipstick to make sure my lips don't crust over or anything like that. She's like, I use this all the time. I was actually recommended this from my sister, and she's the one that had the creme brulee one that she recommended to me, and I was like, oh my gosh, this smells so good. Like, I wanted to eat it. Honestly, don't eat this though. But it smelled so good. Like, I was so surprised of how good it smelled. And when I started using it, it was like a change in the game. Like, I was like, I'm never using anything else ever. It's a very popular product, so it does like leave the shelves of like stores and stuff very quickly because of how well it works and how many people like it. But it's worth it because like you literally have to like try to look for it any way you can, and it's worth it because this is such a good product and you will have it for a lot longer than you think. Just because it's small, like it'll last you, and I really like it. It smells great. It's very small, so you can travel with it, put it anywhere. You literally will have to apply it one time and you'll be fine for the entire day. At least in my experience, that's what I've had. And my friend that I suggested this to a couple weeks ago, like I was saying, she has to apply it like once or like when she's going out, and she'll be fine. She won't have to apply it anymore. So again, this is the Vaseline Lip Therapy Rosy Lips for soft pink lips.